All right, we ready to go live, mamas?
Yeah.
All right, what's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions here with a super quick market update, and it's time to talk about the elephant in the room. Totally kidding. Went ahead and in today's live trading with the LPP team, again, if you ever want to tune on into any of my live sessions, it's the second link in the description down below. But I shorted Coinbase today. So it ran up. I had a specific price target. I shared my entire trade plan with them. You guys could see coin.
Are you?
Yeah, that's me and you. You guys can see that coin. Again, breaking it down, my desired entry for the short was 266. Desired exit was 258. Desired cut losses is, again, if it broke above that 269 range. My risk to reward was not anything great. It was around 2.67, which means for every 2.67% of potential upside, there's 1% of potential downside risk. I had about 1,700 shares, which meant it was a little bit under $500,000. My potential profit was right around 14,000, and my potential loss was 5,200. Based off of this trade plan, I ended up actually reducing my position size. So one thing that I like to do, it's not even so much that I like to do it. One of the things that I do pretty often, and again, just being open with you guys, is I do take profits pretty early. So my take profits, my goal was right around 258, 259, all the way down here, right? So I opened up short over here. But I began to take profits right around the moving average. And then I added more to it, but then I would take profits again leading up to that $58 price point. One of the things that I always like to talk about is never be afraid to lock in profits. And that's one of the biggest things that I've always preached. It's one thing that I always encourage for beginners. And I walked away today with $17,398.75. And I left myself with my one lucky share. So other than that, while another one that I ended up trading today is obviously in respect to my Cybertruck, I ended up shorting Tesla for part of the morning as well. And I walked away with $1,900. I made sure that I can cover my, Tesla payment, right, for this upcoming month. And the only other one that I want to talk about, oh, Remy, don't push that. The only other thing that I want to talk about is the elephant in the room. Imagine losing 1/5 of your account value, 1/5 of your position size in just one day. Well, that's exactly what happened with DJT, right? I made numerous videos last week. Everyone was hyping it up. This reminds me a lot of the whole AMC movement. Everyone didn't like when I was making videos about trading AMC and encouraging beginners to lock in profits. But then 1 or 2 weeks after, guess what begins to happen? The stock begins to crash. And today alone, it's down 19%. It's consistently selling off. And it's not that it can't recover. That's not what I'm saying is, Remy, real quick, I need 1 more minute. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So huge pullback. And from overall highs of $79 to current lows of $50. And again, still a lot of downside potential. This thing has lost 36%. More than 1/3 of its value has been completely, poof, wiped out in thin air. Poof, just gone. Just gone. Yep, it's just gone. And again, this is a great reminder of, we all know DJT is a crap of a company. Yeah, DJT is a crap company. It's an overhyped company. Yep, it's not a good company. No, it's not good. And the only reason that it was bullish was because obviously they have Donald Trump, which brings a lot of demand. And the thing with that is, like, just with any type of hype, it's going to continue to rally higher for longer if the hype continues. But once it begins to fade, just like this one faded very quickly, again, it lacked progress. It began to trade sideways. And this is why I was making all of these videos last week, just making you aware. No one can predict the future, right? I'm not here to pretend like I can, but we can look at previous patterns and see what tends to happen. And based off of previous patterns of any pump and dump, once the hype dies out, it corrects itself. So in no question and in no way should anyone be surprised by this overall pullback that we've seen today with DJT. And I just hope that you guys did your part of locking in profits. Yeah, let me finish real quick. You got to be quiet, okay? Okay, thank you. But other than that, again, very grateful for how today played out. And I am a little jealous of the FOMO that I've missed out on that 19% drop. It just dropped too quick, too fast, and it just continued to sell off. So I could only imagine how many people got caught bag holding that crap company all the way back down to what now $49 per share. So I wish you guys nothing but the best. I hope that this really highlights how important it is that you should always take profits at any indication of a resistance. And again, just better prepare for that next time. What? Yep. Well, I'm just going to talk to them. Okay. Other than that, if you guys have any questions, feel free to either comment down below or shoot me a direct message via Discord or via Instagram, which is linked in the description of this video. And I hope to see you for tomorrow's live trading session. If you guys want to tune on in, that's going to be that second link in the description down below. And maybe we'll see you for tomorrow's live session where, again, we'll catch the market's reaction to all the different economic reports and you'll be able to see me actually trade live. I appreciate your time. Hope that we're in the thumbs up. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.